Hello, hello, hello everyone. It's Brenda with Wreath by Busy Bees Custom Creations. And I just wanted to go ahead and get you guys a video here. So, I know that I made this the other night. So, or a couple weeks ago, something like that. So I wanted to go ahead and make a matching wreath for it. So we're basically going to do the same thing, except we're going to do it on a round frame. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is a 14-inch wreath frame, and this is ribbon from Costco. Okay, so let me zoom you guys in. Alright, so all we're going to do to get started is we're going to take our ribbon and we are going to zip tie it onto the wreath. Now this takes about 5 yards to do this whole wreath, so it does take quite a bit of ribbon. And then all you're going to do, and this takes a while to do, is just keep going around the frame. Okay? And it's easiest just to keep going and keep bringing the ribbon around like that, and you want to kind of pull it tight. You don't want it loose. And you just want to overlap each time you go around. Okay, and you just want to keep it nice and tight, and it will stay as you go around. And every once in a while you're going to have to like fix this because it kind of gets twisted. So you're just going to keep going like that all the way around your frame. Okay. It does take a little bit to do, so just hang in there. And again, you want to kind of keep it tight. You don't want it to get loose on you, and it starts to get twisty. So again, you kind of have to untwist it as you go. And I don't want to take it off of the roll because then it's a real pain. So we're just going to keep going around the wreath like that. And again, you want to pull it tight as you go. You want to make sure it's nice and tight. Okay, again, just pull on it and keep it tight. And then, like I said, it does start to get twist on you, and you just kind of have to untwist as you go. Okay. Around and around and around we go. So if you guys are all doing well. Okay, we're just going to keep going. And like I said, it does take a little bit of time. And you just want to kind of pull it tight as you go around. I'm kind of keeping my thumb on it as I go. And then just bring it around. It goes pretty quick. So once you kind of get going with it, it goes pretty quick. See, we're halfway done already, and it's just taken a couple of minutes to do. Now I've seen, like I said, people do this with the candy cane frame all the time, and they do, you know, a ribbon wreath different ways, and I just thought we can do it the same way that we do the candy cane, and just use the round frame. This is a 14-inch frame from the Dollar Tree, and they're only $1, so But like I said, it does take quite a bit of ribbon, about approximately, I think I measured it out one time, it takes about 5 yards. So as it starts to get unrolled. So these 50-yard rolls from Sam's and Costco are really good ones to use for this because it's so inexpensive. Okay, I'm just going to keep going. Have a pin in that. Out. And we're almost to the end already. So it doesn't take long to do. Again, you just kind of want to hold it down with your thumb as you're going. If you want to take it off of the roll as you're doing it, that's fine, but I like to keep it on. Okay. Just a couple more times, and then we'll be done. I'm going to go ahead and cut this off now. I'm just going to cut it long just to make sure we have what we need on there. Okay, and then I'm going to overlap where we started. And there we go. Okay, so then I'm going to take this and find the frame in here. And if you can't find the frame, what am I looking for? Here we go. I'm going to poke a hole in that. And stick that pipe cleaner through it. You don't have to. There we go. Okay, bring it right around. Keep it tight. Remember, you want to keep it tight. You can glue this down also. We're going to put a bow on this so you won't even see it. Okay, so then we're just going to cut that off. Like so. And then if you want to, which we will, we'll put a little piece of ribbon around that. But we're going to put the bow there, so I'm not worried about it. So, see how quick and easy that works up? And we're, like I said, we're going to put the bow over that, so we're not even going to worry about that. So now, we're going to get our bow maker out and make a quick bow. And this is a Pro Bow the Hand 4-in-1 bow maker. We've got our little zip tie out. We're going to use this red kind of sparkly ribbon here. And again, this is Sam's Club ribbon. The other one was Costco ribbon. So we're going to make about a 15-inch tail. Maybe we'll make it longer. Okay. I'm going to do 6-inch loops. Okay. And we're not going to make a huge bow. Now this you don't have to twist because it's double-sided, exactly the same. So you don't have to twist this ribbon if you don't want to, because it's the same on both sides. Okay, so we do 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll do 5 loops at 6 inches, and then we're going to do 3 loops at 5 inches. So 1, whoops, I missed the little thingy there. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then we're just going to do 1 at about 3 inches. Okay. Keep that tail nice and long. Alright, take this off. Okay. And then what we're going to do, we're going to take our pipe cleaner. Alright, so we're going to take the zip tie, and again you want to make sure it's under all of those pieces of ribbon, all the loops. Tighten it up a little bit, not all the way, because you want to be able to move that pipe cleaner. Okay, so then you can see the indent where it was. I'm going to put my pipe cleaner in here and tighten it a little. And then I'm going to grab the pipe cleaners and the zip tie, and we're going to go ahead and fluff our bow. So, really kind of get them where you want them. I love this ribbon. 3 loops here. Okay. So remember, we did 5 loops on the bottom, and then 3 loops. And then a smaller loop in the center. Okay, so let's go ahead and tighten that up real good. Now you can add other things to it as well if you want. And I'm going to, see there's a little piece of the frame sticking through, so I'm going to run this right through there and attach it. So we're covering up that zip tie from when we wrapped it. And I'm going to cut that. Okay, so I have that in there, and then I'm just going to tuck that in. And then we are going to fluff our bow again. Now this is a really simple, easy project to do. Really quick. And you just want to open up those loops, kind of give it life. Okay? And then these are pretty long, so we don't need them that long. And then if you want to kind of make that curl a little bit, just take and put your finger underneath it and just roll it. Okay, so there you have the, now it's just a plain, you know, not fancy, nothing to it. So you have that, and you have the matching candy cane. So you can do it either way. So now if you want to add a, I have the green twine. If you want to add a handle or a hanger to it, just turn it over. I'll use the brown for now. Okay. And this is just twine that has wire on it. Okay, kind of find out where you want it. And then I'm going to take my little handy dandy ice pick there, and then just run that through it. Use that. Cut a little bigger hole. There we go. There we go. Okay. Run that through it and create a hanger. You don't need a real big one. Just want to cut that off. And then what you'll do is you'll tuck that piece down here through the ribbon like that. And then you have a hanger for it. Okay, so that's just a quick and easy little wreath that you can do. These would be great for someone with a screen door, someone in a nursing home, something like that. So you can make the round one or the candy cane one. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. Like I said, this took about 5 yards. I don't remember how much this took. Probably similar. But thanks for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.